Roe'sgratitude offers more than just a warm drink. It's a transformation. It's rooted in nature, powered by nutrients, and guided by ancestral wisdom. Our story begins with people tired of feeling tired, inflamed, foggy, disconnected, and overworked. These are people who know they deserve more energy, more clarity, more peace, but they don't want another pill to get there. They want healing that feels like love. Enter Butterfly Pea Flower Tea, the showstopper. This deep blue beauty is rich in antioxidants. It supports radiant skin, mental clarity, memory, and calm nervous system function. For generations, it's been used as a brain support tonic. It helps the mind stay sharp while the body relaxes. One sip feels like tension melting off the spirit. Beauty is nourished from within. Then arrives Moringa, the miracle tree. It's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on earth. Vitamin A for vision, vitamin C for immunity, vitamin E for cell protection. Plus calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and plant protein your body can actually use. Moringa supports healthy blood sugar levels and combats inflammation. It restores energy and nourishes the blood, especially for those who feel chronically depleted. It's the kind of nourishment you feel waking up in your body. Soursop leaf tea steps in like a warrior. It has strong plant compounds supporting the body's natural defense systems. It helps with cellular protection and inflammation reduction. It promotes a grounded sense of wellness. It has long been part of traditional healing practices for immunity and resilience. It reminds your body how to defend itself. It also helps the mind unwind. Next, baobab, an ancient African superfruit. It's overflowing with vitamin C, minerals, and gut-loving prebiotic fiber. This tea supports digestion, immune strength, and nutrient absorption. It also supports glowing skin, making wellness feel effortless. It's like sunshine for the gut and nourishment for the spirit. It helps the body feel balanced again. And finally, manpower tea. It's formulated to support healthy circulation and stamina. It also supports stress, resilience, and masculine confidence. Minerals and botanicals in this blend help maintain energy. They also support blood flow and hormonal balance. They promote that grounded inner strength men crave but don't always feel. It's vitality for kings respectfully, powerfully, naturally. As each tea is tasted, the people in this story transform. They have brighter eyes and calmer minds. They experience smoother digestion and warmer circulation. They take deeper breaths and have renewed confidence. A cup becomes a ritual. The ritual becomes a lifestyle. And the lifestyle becomes a return to self. Roe'sgratitude teas are not just beverages. They are nutrition. They are energy. They are relaxation. They are strength. They are culture. They are healing, written into the leaves of the earth, just waiting for you to steep your wellness back into existence. Because when you choose a tea that loves you back, that's when true healing begins. It's a journey of self-discovery. One cup at a time. As people embrace this ritual, The transformation unfolds as each tea reveals its unique power. Butterfly pea flower tea gently melts away tension, nourishing beauty from within. Imagine the delicate blue hues swirling in your cup, each sip a release of stress. Moringa, the miracle tree, steps in to restore energy and combat inflammation, awakening the body. Feel the revitalizing surge as moringa's potent nutrients invigorate your cells. Saursop leaf tea strengthens the body's defenses, promoting resilience and calm. Envision a shield forming around you, protecting you from daily stressors. Baobab, an ancient superfruit, revitalizes digestion and enhances nutrient absorption, bringing balance back. Picture your gut flourishing, absorbing every bit of goodness from your food. Finally, manpower tea supports circulation, stamina, and masculine confidence, empowering inner strength. Feel the warmth spreading through your veins, igniting your vitality. Through these carefully crafted blends, Roe'sgratitude offers a path to renewed vitality. Each tea is designed with intention, a step towards brighter eyes, calmer minds, and a deeper connection. With butterfly pea, the tension melts, revealing a serene beauty. The vibrant blue drink whispers peace, inviting you to relax and let go. Moringa steps in, a green elixir of life, restoring what the day takes away. Energy surges back, muscles awaken, and the mind sharpens. Saursop leaf tea, a guardian in a cup, fortifies your defenses. Each sip is a strengthening embrace, warding off the chaos of the world. Baobab, the ancient provider, nurtures from within, balancing the body's core. Digestion eases, nutrients flow, and a sense of wholeness returns. Manpower tea, a warming tonic, ignites inner strength and confidence. Vitality blooms, focus sharpens, and the spirit soars. Each tea is a chapter in a story of self-love, a return to the essence of being. With brighter eyes, the world is seen anew, full of possibility. With calmer minds, decisions become clear and paths unfold with ease. The deeper connection to self is the ultimate reward, a knowing that all is well. Each sip is a step towards this profound realization. Roe'sgratitude believes that true healing begins with a tea that loves you back. It's more than just a beverage. It's a ritual of self-care, a moment of peace. It's a reminder that within each of us lies the power to heal and thrive. The teas are crafted to nurture that power, sip by sip. Imagine the gentle steam rising, carrying with it the promise of renewal. The warmth spreads through your hands as you hold the cup, a comforting embrace. The aroma fills your senses, a symphony of nature's finest gifts. With each sip, you're not just drinking tea, you're embracing a holistic approach. You're choosing to nourish your body, calm your mind, and uplift your spirit. Roe'sgratitude is more than just a brand. It's a community of like-minded individuals. People are all seeking a natural path to wellness, a return to balance and harmony. The teas are a bridge, connecting you to the wisdom of nature and the power of self-care. They are a reminder that you are worthy of love, health, and happiness. The journey to wellness is not a destination, but a continuous path of self-discovery. Roe'sgratitude is here to guide you, one cup at a time. Embrace the transformative ritual and let the healing begin. Let each sip be a step towards a brighter, healthier, and more fulfilling life. The power of tea is not just in its ingredients, but in the intention behind it. Roe'sgratitude infuses each blend with love, care and a deep respect for nature. The result is a tea that not only tastes good, but also nourishes the soul. So, take a moment to pause, breathe, and savor the simple act of steeping wellness. Let the healing properties of these teas work their magic, transforming you from the inside out. Discover the power of Roe'sgratitude and unlock your full potential for health and happiness. With each cup, you're not just drinking tea, you're investing in yourself. You're choosing to prioritize your well-being and embrace a life of vitality and balance. Roe'sgratitude is a partner in your journey, offering support, guidance, and a delicious cup of tea. Join the community, share your experiences, and inspire others to embrace the healing power of tea. Together, we can create a world where wellness is accessible to all, one cup at a time. Let the journey begin, and let the healing continue. Roe'sgratitude, steeping wellness back into existence. A tea that loves you back. Brighter eyes, calmer minds, deeper connection